After a long day on trail, we made it to a campsite. Here we washed up in the Youghiogheny River, then started dinner. We did not pack fuel for the Jetboil stove because it's unsafe to fly with and against TSA regulations. And we were not able to find a canister of fuel for our Jetboil in the towns and stores we stopped in along the way. So I made a stove out of 2 aluminum cans and used a fuel additive product for fuel. I purchased all these items at a dollar store. This was not an ideal situation, but a way to bridge the gap until we could find canister fuel in a town along the trail.
Oh, that one's cool.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Do you need to go potty?
No.
Okay.
Later.
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 Later. Keep your feet down off the table.
Through the night, a pack of raccoons, possessed by demons and determined to steal our food, kept me engaged in battle. Eventually, daylight came, the coons went to bed, and we packed up our bikes and headed on down the line.
That goes in.
Purple.
Uh-huh. That goes in the bag. Yep. And uh-oh. Try again.